I wake up tired even after I sleep, smiling outside, the pain runs deep. They say I'm strong, they say I'm fine, but they don't see what's in my mind. I hide my tears, I hold my pain, walk through silence like falling rain. I help the broken, I heal their scars, while I'm collapsing beneath the stars. At night I drive just to escape, streetlights blur like memories fade. Every mile feels like a scream, trapped inside a broken dream. If I disappear, would they even know? Or would life just continue to go? God, if you're listening, don't let me fall. I need your voice through it all. When I need space, that's where I go. A lonely road, nobody knows, where pain is real and the wind speaks true. And I face everything I'm going through. Bring my fear, I bring my shame, whispering softly my own name. It's got myself and I alone, trying to find my way back home. Daddy said don't ever break, but never show me what it takes. Now I carry what he couldn't show, a silent weight nobody knows. I keep on driving through the night, searching for peace, chasing light. Maybe I'm broken, maybe I'm free, maybe I'm learning who I'm meant to be. When I need space, that's where I go, on that lonely road.